Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you locate and change the routing number on Cash App. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Cash App application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now from here in the bottom left corner, go ahead and tap there to go to basically the next screen where you'll be able to locate and find the account number. Go ahead and tap on this icon right here. And it should be right here. It's only hidden because I'm basically recording right now. You can copy it and reveal it however you want. Now basically it's impossible for you to change the routing number on your Cash App. It's just not something you can do. Now there is a way to work around it. You need to actually delete your Cash App account completely and create another one to get a different routing number. If that's what you want to do and you're ready to do that, you can find the video of how can you do that in our channel, and that is basically how can you change routing number on Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.